We'll guide you through how to use the Paint.net color wheel effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Paint.net and start a new project, or open an existing image. Once you're in, look towards the top right corner of the interface, where you'll see the colors palette. If it's not visible, you can go to the window menu at the top and select Colors to bring it up. In the Colors palette, you'll notice a small wheel icon, which is the color wheel. Click on it to open the color wheel interface. This tool allows you to select a wide range of colors and customize them to your liking. You can adjust the hue by dragging the slider around the wheel. The circular area within the wheel is used to adjust the saturation and brightness of the color. By clicking and dragging within this area, you can find the perfect shade for your project. If you need a specific color, you can also enter RGB or hex values directly in the input fields provided below the wheel. This is particularly useful if you're trying to match a specific color scheme or brand color. Another handy feature is the ability to save frequently used colors. Simply click the Add to Palette button to save your chosen color for easy access later. You can manage your saved colors by clicking on the Palette tab and rearranging or deleting them as needed. Remember, you can always reset your color wheel to its default state by clicking the Reset button if things get a bit too colorful. Experimenting with the color wheel is a great way to enhance your image editing skills and make your projects pop. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.